Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Andrew Learns AI, where I love to talk about all things AI and show you how technology can boost productivity. Today, I want to touch on something quite extraordinary. I'll show you that suddenly I can speak 15 different languages, from Spanish to French, Japanese, Hindi, Russian, Tamil, Korean, Malay, German, even Swahili, with a little bit of help from AI, of course. Now, with technology, all this may seem fun, but there are real world implications to this. Imagine, as a creator, I can reach global audiences. As a marketer, I can enter new markets without language barriers. So let's jump into it. I'll show you a demo, and if you stay till the very end, I'll show you the tool that I use to make all these things happen. First up, English. Hi, my name is Andrew, and I'm excited to talk about how AI can supercharge your life. And a string of other languages coming up.
嗨，我的名字是安德律，我很高兴能谈论人工智能如何提升。Bonjour, je m'appelle Andrew et je suis ravi de parler de la façon dont. こんにちは、私の名前はアンドリューです。人工知能がどのように。안녕하세요, 제 이름은 앤드류입니다. 인공지능이. Hai, nama saya Andrew dan saya teruja untuk bercakap tentang bagaimana. Hai, nama saya Andrew dan saya sangat senang untuk membicarakan வணக்கம், என் பெயர் ஆண்ட்ரூ மற்றும் ஏய் உங்கள் Namaste, मेरा नाम Andrew है और मैं इस Hallo, mein Name ist Andrew und ich freue mich darüber zu sprechen. Hola, mi nombre es Andrés y estoy emocionado de. Ciao, mi chiamo Andrea и sono entusiasta. Привет, меня зовут Эндрю и я рад поговорить о том. Shalom, שמי אנדרו ואני מתרגש לדבר על איך. Habari, jina langu ni Andrew na nina furaha kuzungumzia jinsi.
There you have it, me speaking in many languages. Now I'll show you the tool that I used. And the tool I use is HeyGen. I find that this is one of the better tools that I've used in terms of usability and lip sync technology. I'm not being sponsored for this video. Everything that I say comes from my experience. Well, the tool is quite easy to use, intuitive. There are a couple of things that you can do. This is the landing page. Here, you can create your video with an avatar, a digital representation that you can use for your company in a marketing presentation. You can create your digital twin. You take a video of yourself and load it up. It clones your voice. You give it a script and you speak that script. Your digital twin speaks it. This is what I use, translate a video. I took a video of myself and I loaded it. You simply click it here, drop your video in, click create new translation, select your language, and voila, you're done. You're given 3 videos for free, so you can test it out, have fun with it, impress your family and friends. Think also how you can perhaps use this tool in your marketing campaigns. If you find that you have a better tool in mind, do share with me in the chat. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, smash that like and subscribe button so that I can make more of such videos for you. Let's journey on together and discover the world of AI together.